Today, I want to show you two of my favorite SREFs. This one, which is 392-804-3862, and this one, which is 90301. And I want to show you how easy it is to get these to work for you with some amazing, fun way of doing everything all at once, right? So let's check them out. I've got a prompt set up, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing three different ideas with two different SREFs, and we're going to make 6 different images, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So check this out. So I'm going to do cheeseburger at a diner, happy golden retriever running, a herringbone background pattern, okay? And I got to fix the prompt here. It's the curly bracket. So this is in a curly bracket, which means Midjourney takes these 3 ideas that are separated by commas as individual things to look at. Don't worry about the rest of the stuff. That's just the aspect ratio and the style. But what we're really playing with here is this SREF, which is super colorful, and this SREF, which is also very colorful. These are connected, divided here by a comma, right? So if we take the comma out, it mushes them together for one SREF. But what we want to do, in fact, you know what we should do is, let's just run that test. Let's copy this. Let's do a comma. Let's paste it in here, and we'll run 90301 by itself, 3928 blah 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 by itself, and then these two as its own separate thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 different SREF looks for the 3 different ideas, and all I have to do is hit go, right? And so now we're off to the races. And as you can see, what this does is it divides it up. So we've got all the cheeseburgers right here. Of course, they're busy running. Let's just look at these going up. So here's one cheeseburger. Here's another. That's kind of a really cool look. Very pop art. Really kind of an interesting use of color here. Here's the difference between these two SREFs, even though they use lots of really bright colors, is this seems to be a little bluer, greener, and then this is more pinks and purples, right? And so you get a really good look. And then, of course, this is the third one that we did, and this is combining both. So which one of these do you like the best? Do you like the original, or do you like the original of these two, or do you like them combined? I think the combined one's really kind of nice. Here's the golden retriever running with the first SREF. Here's the second. Pretty classic look. Dogs are always a favorite. And then here's the last one, which is a herringbone pattern. Sometimes you need a background for something. And this one's kind of more geometric. This one's more painterly. And of course, the last one is the two of them together. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. This really shows the power of using SREFs to help control your image. And I like the fun way of using the curly brackets to try to get a really great idea. When you don't really know which way to go, you can test some stuff out very quickly using this method. So thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Midjourney Experience newsletter, and I'll chat with you guys later. See ya.